Hello again. It's me, Emma. Welcome back to another English speaking practice. Today, we're going to talk about something very simple, but very real. Daily routines. Let's practice together. Are you ready? Let's go. I usually wake up around 7 in the morning. Sometimes a bit earlier, sometimes later. It depends on the day. When I wake up, the first thing I do is check my phone. I know I shouldn't do that, but I do. I check my messages, my emails, sometimes even social media. Then I take a deep breath and say to myself, okay, let's start the day. After that, I get out of bed and go straight to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and look in the mirror. Sometimes I look sleepy. Sometimes I look fresh. It really depends on how well I slept. Then I drink a big glass of water. That's one of my favorite morning habits. It really wakes me up. Next, I make my bed. It takes only 1 or 2 minutes, but it makes a big difference. When my bed is tidy, my mind feels tidy too. If I start my morning organized, I feel more ready for everything. After that, it's time for breakfast. Usually I eat something simple, like toast with butter or cereal with milk. If I have more time, I make scrambled eggs or oatmeal. Oh, and of course, coffee. I love coffee. Just the smell of it makes me happy. While I have breakfast, I like to listen to music or sometimes a podcast. It's my quiet moment before the day starts. I don't like rushing in the morning. I like to move slowly and enjoy the moment. After breakfast, I take a shower. I love hot showers. They make me feel relaxed and clean. Then I get dressed. If I'm working from home, I wear something comfortable. If I'm going out, I pick something casual but nice. I don't like spending too much time choosing clothes. Simple is good. After I get ready, I sit at my desk and check my schedule for the day. I like to write a short to-do list, something like finish project, answer emails, record video, take a walk. It helps me stay focused. Around 9 or 10, I start working. Most days I work on my computer. I write, I edit videos, I answer comments, I plan new lessons. Sometimes I have meetings online. I really enjoy what I do, but I also try to take small breaks. Every 2 hours, I stand up, stretch my legs, and drink some water. It helps me stay focused and avoid getting tired. If I feel sleepy, I go outside for a few minutes, maybe look at the sky or take a short walk. At lunchtime, I usually eat something light, maybe salad, rice with vegetables, or pasta. I'm not a big fan of heavy lunches because they make me sleepy. After lunch, I clean up the kitchen, wash the dishes, and sometimes relax for a bit. In the afternoon, I go back to work. That's when I usually film new videos or practice English for myself too. I think it's important to always keep learning, even as a teacher. Sometimes I also read a book or watch something in English. Around 5 or 6, I finish working. Then I like to do something fun or relaxing. I might go for a walk, or call a friend, or listen to music. Sometimes I cook dinner and experiment with new recipes. Sometimes they turn out great, sometimes not so much. Dinner is usually around 7. I like to eat something light but tasty. After dinner, I clean up, maybe watch a show or a YouTube video. Sometimes I study or plan for the next day. Before going to bed, I try not to use my phone too much, but honestly, I still do. I scroll a little, maybe read some messages or watch funny videos. Then I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into my pajamas. Before I sleep, I like to write in my journal. Just a few lines, what I did today, how I felt, something good that happened. It helps me end the day with gratitude. Then I turn off the light, close my eyes, and say quietly, good night. Tomorrow will be a great day. And that's my daily routine. Simple, calm, and balanced. Of course, not every day is the same. Sometimes I'm busy, sometimes I rest more. But that's okay. What's important is to keep a routine that makes you feel good. Now it's your turn. Think about your daily routine. Try to describe it in English. Say it out loud, shadow me, repeat my sentences, and speak with confidence. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to speak naturally and fluently. Let's repeat a few sentences together, okay? Ready? I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come back home. I have dinner. I go to bed. Say them again, but faster. Now again with feeling. Good job. Remember, practice every day. Even 5 minutes makes a difference. Consistency is the key to fluency. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this daily routine shadowing session. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.